In today's video, we're going to discuss the 3 fundamentals to out-of-state investing. Hey Daniel, cue in the intro please. Hey, what's going on friend? Juan Pablo here. Now on this channel, we typically like to talk about things that relate to personal finance, funding, and multi-unit real estate investing. So if you're new, make sure you click that like button and subscribe so the algorithm can do its job. So I'm Juan Pablo, and without further ado, we're going to discuss today the 3 fundamentals to out-of-state investing. Now the first thing I have to share is this. This is actually a caveat. Make sure you explore your own backyard first, okay? Because there could be a ton of opportunity there. You never know. There could be some emerging markets close to where you live in which there may be affordable multi-unit properties in which you can start acquiring. So I definitely want you to look in your backyard before you start sniffing elsewhere. But let's get into the 3 fundamentals. So the first fundamental is this. You have to do adequate research on the market that you tend to invest in. So you want to look at things such as the financials. What are the cap rates in the area? What's going to be your cash on cash return in the area? What is the cost per door in that market? What is the gross rent multiplier? There's just so many different metrics that you want to track initially, or that you want to do research on initially before you dive deep and start investing in another market. All right, now leading me to my second fundamental tip. The second thing is this. You want to be able to pay a visit to that market. You might be thinking, well, Juan Pablo, yes, that's a given. That's pretty understandable, but I'm not saying just go to the market and just drive around looking at houses or multi-unit properties just to see if it looks safe. So I am saying that yes, you do want to make sure that it is safe, that the neighborhood is a neighborhood that's not a D area. I typically like C areas, meaning C is for cash flow, meaning it's low income, low crime, Section 8 all day long. But when you're going to visit the market, you want to visit local RIAs. Those are real estate investment associations, right? And you want to be able to go to these organizations so that way you can mix and mingle with other local investors in that market. So that way you can learn the tools of the trade. That way you can learn the lay of the land. That way you can learn to invest in this area, but stay away from that area. And the best way to do that is by going to meetup.com and search local RIAs. And once you find out the information with the next meeting date, whether it's virtual or in person, make sure you attend, get your pen and pad, and take good notes. Now, if you happen to attend in person, which I prefer, so that way you can take them out to lunch or what have you, and just make sure you pick their brains of the ins and outs of investing in that market. Now, I do have a video recommendation I want you to check out. The video is about property management, but also how to manage your property out of state. So just make sure you check the link below in the description. Now that leads me to my third fundamental. Lender. Before you start going out there investing in another market, let's say you did your good research, you know about the market and the numbers, you know about the safety and so forth, you network with a few people, a few investors and so forth. But you gotta reach out to some team members, meaning you gotta start building your team. And the first person I recommend is a lender. You wanna have a lender in this other market, especially if you live out of state, to be able to give you the thumbs up or the green light to invest in that market. So you wanna receive some sort of pre-approval, pre-qualification letter, something in writing in an email, just something along the lines that you're approved for funding. So that way when you start investing in that market and start building your team, working with deal finders, you will add immense credibility to yourself by having that pre-approval in your back pocket. All right. Now I do have another video recommendation for you. It's about how to fund your multi-unit deals. Just check the link below in the description to learn more. Okay guys, so that's short and sweet for this video. Now if you're interested in learning more about real estate investing and how you can invest in multi-units using OPM in the best profitable markets, then we have a free training for you. All you have to do, my friend, is just check the link below in the description to learn more. And as always guys, this is to your success. Continue to earn passively, live passionately.